Metal, dust, and sheer power. Machines weighing hundreds of tons, pushing the limits. One tilt, one mistake, and it's disaster. This is extreme heavy machinery transport, where giants move. At first glance, you might think this is a UFO taking a road trip, but actually, it's part of a gigantic parabolic satellite antenna. Moving something this huge isn't just heavy work, it's rocket science-level precision. Every turn, every slope must be calculated down to the centimeter. It's proof that human engineering can move mountains, and apparently, giant space dishes too. Six heavy-duty trucks meet the Oshkosh beasts, built to haul massive loads, from giant turbines to industrial machinery. Each one packs an advanced pulling system, a rock-solid chassis, and a torque monster of an engine. When moving giant turbines for power plants, every detail counts, from weight balance to every single corner of the road. Just a few centimeters off, and the whole mission could go sideways. Moving ultra-heavy machines on highways is no easy ride. Every turn, every slope, demands total precision. One wrong move, and it's game over. This is where man and machine unite to conquer the impossible. This snowplow truck is an absolute beast. It's slicing through thick snow like butter on a hot pan. Watching a heavy machine move this fast feels unreal. For a second, it almost looks like it's coming straight at me. Pure power and pure satisfaction to watch. Moving a historic brick church like this takes incredible planning and precision. With triple-layer brick walls and massive weight, it's anything but simple. Engineers use 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks to lift the entire structure. Then, 10 sets of heavy-duty wheels rolled it carefully to its new home, without a single crack in its solid frame. The Mack and Special Transport Day 2022 is a true feast for heavy truck lovers. Classic Macks and modern Giants rolled side by side, turning the streets into a parade of power engines roared, chrome gleamed, and every curve of metal told a story. A rare celebration of Europe's proud truck culture that no fan could ever look away from. 4 generators, 400 tons each, hauled across California with flawless precision. A journey of power, skill, and teamwork that defines true engineering excellence. Moving a giant forging press from Germany to France. Not exactly a Sunday drive. 3 transport teams worked like clockwork, nailing every turn with skill and calm precision. That's what it takes to move a beast like this. Somewhere on the remote Tanami track, a tour bus got stuck deep in the mud. Luckily, a passing truck driver stopped, hooked it up, and pulled the whole thing free. That's what we call roadside hero.
Esse carro vai explodir aí, ó. Esse caminhão vai explodir aí, ó. Tem que tirar esse caminhão daí, ó. Tem que tirar esse caminhão daí. Segura mais.
A sugarcane truck suddenly bursts into flames, thick smoke rolling up into the sky. The driver tries everything, but the fire's just too strong. All he can do is watch it burn. The massive yacht Miss Wind began its journey from a shipyard near Bonn to Bavaria. Split into 2 giant sections, each was lifted by heavy cranes, then loaded onto lobed trucks 68 meters long, 10 wide, and worth $5 million. This was one unforgettable move. A Mercedes-Benz Actros 4160 Titan, pulling the massive crawler crane track, weighing tens of tons through the streets of Hamburg. Every turn, every meter demands skill, focus, and nerves of steel. A heavy haul convoy carries a massive steel column stretching tens of meters long. It slowly crawls through the first turn, every move measured, because one mistake could mean disaster.
I got the wheel turned the wrong way. Wait. It goes. Coming hard left. Truck. Traffic's gonna stay stopped until you're clear, Karen. Go to the left. Keep going. I'm going to my truck now.
One calm moment, one quick decision. He chose not to push forward. Sometimes slowing down is what keeps you alive. A single dump truck was being lifted onto the ship. Suddenly, the cable snapped. The massive machine crashed down, leaving everyone in shock. Thankfully, no one was injured. A massive 50-meter giant, taller than a 3-story house, moves slowly along the narrow road. Everything seems to shrink as the steel monster rolls by. If you love these insane heavy hauls, hit like and subscribe, because the next ones get even crazier.